Bigin CRM tutorial, how to use Bigin CRM. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with Bigin CRM, which is Zoho's dedicated CRM tool. So let's get started. To get started, the first thing you have to do is head on over to bigin.com and you're going to enter your name, your business email. So we're just going to enter that over here. And once we do that, we're going to enter a suitable password for our account, agree to their terms of service, and then click on sign up for free. We're going to enter this over here and then just proceed. Now it seems to be we're going to have to sign up using Google. So I'm just going to quickly sign up using Google. And we're just going to wait for our Google sign up. You can also choose to sign up with LinkedIn as well. And if you're using Zoho already, you might want to just use your Zoho account. So you might want to just use Zoho and whatever email you're already using. So we're just going to proceed over here to get started with Bigin CRM. And you guys can see that this is linked to my Zoho account, and I'm just going to click on continue and then just proceed. So now that we have gotten started with our basics, we can proceed further. And moving on, we're going to enter our password for our account to sign in with Bigin. And I'm using my Zoho account to do this. And we're going to have to verify in our mailbox. So we're just going to complete the verification in our mailbox. And once our verification has been complete, we're just going to log on. And we're going to copy our address, go back, and then enter the OTP that we have just received, like so, and then click on verify. And once we've verified, we can log on to Bigin CRM. Now we're going to click on I understand and continue to proceed onto our next step within Bigin CRM. Now moving forward, we're just going to go on and click on link our accounts. And from here, we're going to proceed with our company name. So this is going to be called Spencer, and then our phone number, and then our currency, and then we're just going to click on Explore Begin to start with our CRM. Now, once we have started with our CRM, we are going to get started with adding our contacts and our companies. On the left, you will find pipelines, then you have contacts, companies, products, activities, and dashboard. The best part about using Bigin is that it is a really simplified CRM. So if you are someone that is not very familiar with using CRMs and you're just setting this up for the first time, then this is going to be an amazing platform for you because it does not require extremely complicated setups or any professional expertise. You can easily follow along and easily be able to create your CRM. So we're going to go into contact, and you can see on the top right, you can import your contacts, import notes, and import from another CRM. But we're going to add one manually, so just click on contact over here to get started. From here, you're going to enter the last name, and then you can enter the email, company name, description, and address information. And just like that, you can enter a contact. This contact could be a customer, it could be a supplier, this could also be a partner. It does not really matter because you don't have to define that. But whenever you're creating contacts, you can also create a brand new field by clicking on create field. Let's say this is going to be a text field, and this is going to be called contact type. And this is going to be a field with a single line of text. And over here, I'm supposed to add what type of contact this is. So in the contact type, I'm just going to double click and I'm going to add this as a customer, like so. So on and so forth. You can add as many fields as are required for your particular business or industry. Now, moving forward, we're going to proceed with creating our companies. So we're just going to click on done and then proceed on to companies over here. And once we click on companies over here, we can add companies. You can click on company and associate each individual company with a person. So companies usually are obviously going to be associated with a person. Let's say this is going to be called Polkadot. And then we can enter a description, address information, and customize other fields as well. We're just going to click on save over here. Once we click on save, we are going to see a timeline, notes, activities, emails, social, pipelines, contact, and any files that we have. So whenever you add basic info, you have the ability to go back and we're going to add the company owner. The company owner refers to the contact person from your side of the business, which means that whoever engaged this potential lead or opportunity is going to be added here. Once done, you can proceed with adding products. So go into products and then click on add product or import them from a file. You can click on add product to manually add your own product. So we're going to enter a simple product. Let's say it's going to be our lipsticks. The product code is 009. The product category is edit options, and we can edit the option and add more options. It's going to be makeup, and we're going to click on save, and we're just going to add that. We can add the unit price and then just click on save. Once done, our product has been added. Below that, you have your dashboards and activities, but now it's time to actually explore the CRM pipelines. So you can click on pipelines on the top right to get started with managing your CRM. This includes a team pipeline, and you can create multiple pipelines. You can clone them from a template, or you can begin from a completely blank template as well. This is the default one that has been created, which is primarily following a sales template, which is honestly very useful whenever you are building your CRM. So we have a qualification, need analysis, proposal, negotiation, closed, lost stage. And to add any deal on a pipeline, simply go into pipelines and then click on deal. Once you click on deal on the bottom, you can proceed with your deal name. Let's say this is going to be lip gloss manufacturing deal. And then I would enter the contact name that is associated with this. I would add a need analysis and the revenue that I project off of this, the closing date. So let's say the closing date needs to be within the next month. Then we can add a description. We can add our associated products. Let's say for this, we're going to enter our lipstick product here, and then just click on save, and just like that, our deal has been added. If I want to call, I can click on call, message, or move the deal into the next stage. This allows you complete easy control over everything that is happening within your business. And you're able to view the stage history, all your emails, communication, notes, activities, so you know at what stage is your deal going to be, how warm it is, or how cold it is going. Then on your top right, you have your general settings to manage your users. So if you want to add multiple users to your CRM, then your organization, fields, stages, forms, automation, and more. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with creating your own CRM using Bigin. If you guys did find this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or any queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know everything you guys have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.